Hey guys, wanted to talk to you today about 3 things you need to know about orders of protection. The first thing you need to know is read the order carefully. Orders can vary drastically from what you can and can't do. Some will prohibit you from being at the residence, and some will allow you to be at the residence. Others will allow phone contact or email contact. They may have children on the order of protection or pets or workplaces. If you are served with an order of protection, your first step should be reading every detail of that order carefully. And the second thing you need to be on the lookout for, especially if you have children, is whether or not it allows contact with the party that obtained the order of protection to discuss the children. Oftentimes, the judge will order that you can communicate via text or email. What you need to be careful of is if you are sending a text or an email that is allowed, do not talk about anything but the children. Because if you do, that's actually a violation of the order of protection. Even though you can email or text them, you can't do so for any reason but the children. And if you do, you could find yourself facing a criminal charge. The third thing to be on the lookout for is when should you challenge an order of protection? Not every order of protection should be challenged. If you do challenge an order of protection, the standard the court looks at is whether by a preponderance of the evidence, 50.1%, you have committed an act of domestic violence or are likely to commit an act of domestic violence. If you have children involved, you have to make a calculated decision on whether or not to challenge the order of protection. Because if you do challenge the order of protection and the court upholds it, in your family law case, that now creates a presumption that you are unfit to exercise decision making over your child until you can prove to the court's satisfaction that you have rehabilitated yourself. An order of protection is a very serious legal matter. It can have implications on your personal life, your professional life, and in your family court case. Contact an attorney immediately, discuss with them what your rights and your options are and whether it's best for you to pursue challenging that order of protection. Our firm will be happy to talk to you and discuss these issues. You can follow us on Facebook or on YouTube to find out more tips and information about your family law case.